What's up guys, welcome to the Momentum Trading Lab, and in today's video I'm going to give you my 3 best prop firms for 2025 and help you decide between which one is best for you. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, the first one is Bulenox. So I've been using Bulenox for the past 2 years and my experience has been pretty much seamless with them. As long as you follow the simple rules that they give you for the funded account, you will definitely get paid. I've never had any issues with payments. The nice thing about Bulenox is they have the cheap evaluation fees. So normally when they have the 90% discount, you can get an evaluation account for $17. You can get a 50K account, option 1. The nice thing is you can have 11 funded accounts and they have a weekly payout window. So you can submit your payout request on a Friday and they normally approve it on the following Tuesday, and then you should get paid on the Wednesday, and you get a free NinjaTrader license. So what I don't like about them is the expensive activation fees. So for a 50K account, it's $148 to activate the account once you have passed the evaluation. They've got a rhythmic connection, so it's a pretty old school connection. And then they recently brought out the trade copier rule. So you can copy trade all of your Bulenox accounts together, but you can't copy to another prop firm. So that is against the rules. And then you need 10 trading days for payout. So this prop firm is ideal if you are a beginner. And the reason I say that is you get the $17 evaluation fee. So even if you blow 5 and eventually get funded, then you still haven't really spent a lot of money. So I like this one for a beginner. It's definitely beginner friendly if you're just getting started in the futures trading market. Definitely have a look at Bulenox, and let's quickly go to their website. Okay, so on their website, you are going to go to account sign up, and you'll see they have a bunch of different accounts. The first ones here are the option 1 accounts. So option 1 means that it's got a trailing intraday drawdown. So normally when they have a 90% discount, you can get these option 1 accounts for the 90% discount, and they don't always have a promotion for the option 2 account, so the end of day drawdown. So it only calculates your drawdown at the end of the day. Sometimes they have it. Right now they have one for 75% discount using code MTL75, and when they have the 90% discount, the code will be MTL90, and I will link all of the details in the description below. So you just come here and you fill in the coupon code. Right, so right now they don't have the 90, but as soon as the 90% discount is released, I'll update the description in this video, and I'll also notify you in the Discord. All right, the next firm that I've really been enjoy using is MyFundedFutures. So they've got the best technology. As soon as you pass your evaluation at the end of the trading day, almost immediately your funded account will be activated. They have no activation fee. All of the accounts are end of day drawdown, so it's not going to trail your intraday P&L. They've got super fast payouts using Rise. So on the starter account you need 5 trading days, and then you can request your payout and you should receive it in the same day if you followed all of the rules, and you have the possibility of weekly payouts. The only con with MyFundedFutures is that you can only have 3 funded accounts, but right now they have the 50K starter account, which is a pretty good deal. No activation fee. So if you pause the account, you can pause it in 1 day, but that obviously enables bad trading behavior. So I would just trade it the way you would normally do, using appropriate risk management. And then when you pause the account, it will only be a total of $80 if you pause it in less than a month. So yeah, you have to make the decision. You have to ask yourself, how many times are you going to potentially reset this account before you get funded? Otherwise, the Bulenox option might be the best for you. But if you are pretty sure that you are going to pause the account without resetting it within a month, that's definitely the ideal choice for you. Okay, so my recommendation for MyFundedFutures is the 50K starter account. It's only $80. This is going to be going up in January. Apparently they haven't said how much it's going to be, but right now it's $80 using my link. The link is in the description below. You quickly go to their website, you press on the start challenge button. It'll give you the different account options. So they have the starter accounts. So this is the one that I'm recommending, the 50k account for $80 a month. No activation fee. The drawdown mode is end of day drawdown, so it's a bit easier to pass than an account similar to Bulenox, which has got the trailing drawdown, and it's got a daily loss limit of $1,200. So just keep that in mind. They also have the expert accounts, which is pretty nice. You can see that it almost doesn't have any rules, no activation fee, no consistency rules. So this is a nice one if you are already an experienced trader. And they've got the milestone accounts. So this one has got a milestone. For each milestone you get a payout until you eventually get to a live funded account. These ones are slightly more expensive. So my recommendation is get the 50k accounts. You can get 3 funded ones, and then you have the potential of getting $1,200 payout per week on each of these accounts. Okay guys, last but not least is TakeProfitTrader. This is a very well established prop firm. They've got the best payout policy in my opinion from any prop firm. The only drawback is that they have a hard breach daily loss limit. So if you hit your daily loss limit, it's not going to just lock you out for the day, but you are going to lose the account. So it is that way on the evaluations and the funded accounts. But the positive about their company is that you can have daily payouts. So there's no consistency rule. If you have the buffer in your account and you make a nice profit on the day, you can withdraw all of those profits. There's no minimum trading days. Also no activation fees. The 50k account you can get for $102 using code MTL. No activation fees, and then you can get the daily payouts on this account, which is pretty nice. So this is for a more experienced trader in my opinion, because of the hard breach DLL rule. One thing that you have to remember with them is the evaluation account has got an end of day drawdown. Once you pass that and they put you on the pro account, which is a sum funded account, you will have a trailing drawdown. So it's going to be slightly more difficult on the pro account. But once they eventually put you on a pro plus account, which is a live account, the trailing drawdown and the daily loss limit will go away. If you can get through that, then you will have one of the best accounts in the prop space, and you can get your daily withdrawals if you have a good day. All right, if you go to TakeProfitTrader's website, they have the options of a 25k account, 50k, 75k, and 100k, as well as the 150k. As I mentioned, my recommendation is the 50k. So the 50k accounts normally have the best profit to end of day drawdown ratio. So my recommendation is to get the 50k account. You'll see that it says $150 a month, but if you type in my discount code MTL40, you'll get that account for only $102 and no activation fee. They give you the option to choose between the GQG data feed, which will allow you to use NinjaTrader, TradingView, or TraderVate, or you can use the Rhythmic data feed if that is your preferred data connection. And then all you do is put in code MTL40, and this will give you the discount before checkout. So I can't use my own code, but you just type in MTL40 and apply, and it will knock that 170 down to $102. Okay guys, that's been my 3 best prop firms for 2025. If you had any value out of this video, please remember to hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.